Programming an AI chatbot involves several key steps to ensure its successful operation. First, you must decide what you want the chatbot to specialize in. That is, define in what areas your chatbot will be an expert. Next, imagine you are creating a job description for your chatbot. What are the duties of your new employee? List what your chatbot will do for you. You can then indicate the topical area where your chatbot will answer questions. This will prevent your chatbot from wasting time responding to questions outside its area of expertise. You can also add a list of often asked, predefined questions. These serve to help your site visitor to understand how to talk with the chatbot. Your chatbot can also learn from PDFs, videos, images, and text files that you specify. This is great for businesses that describe their services in various documents or web pages. That's 90% of what you need to know about the capabilities of your chatbots. They are powerful and will impress your site visitors. You'll also be very happy with them.